I would describe Empire Machinery as a company that sells and services sheet metal and metal fabricating equipment, everything from HVAC industry to fabrication.
And we really try to provide a solution rather than just sell them a product. We want to make sure that the equipment's going to be the right fit for them, not only today, but for tomorrow and as they continue to grow, rather than just sell them something because we have it available.
So whether it's the metal fabrication industry, the heating, ventilation, air conditioning industry, or the roofing industry. So we cater to those three market segments. We started out selling HVAC machinery, and then we've grown into the metal fab and the roofing industry. I knew Empire long before I even started working, or before I even joined the Empire team. I worked very closely with Mel Manish and Laura Johnson, who was Empire at that time. So they wanted to grow and expand. They needed somebody to come on board. Mel was looking to kind of spin off Empire Machinery from the Empire Sheet Metal umbrella. So they brought me on board to do that, and now the rest is history. So.
Our head office is here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and then we have salespeople abroad in Western Canada and in Ontario.
We're located in an area in Winnipeg called Centerport, which is an inland hub. So it's created for freight to move in and out very easily.
People should consider Empire because we've been around a long time and gotten very good at what we do. The mentality of the customer comes first. I think a lot of other companies maybe say that, but I think Empire really means that. And I think if given a chance to show people what we can do for them, I don't think they would regret making a move to dealing with Empire.
The main reason people want to come back is because they don't just want to buy a machine, but they want to feel like they will be supported by the person they're buying it from.
We really get to know our customers extremely well, and I think we provide a really, really good customer experience from start to finish in understanding what our customers are looking for and providing them with the right possible solution, not only to help them with their need at that particular point in time, but also giving them the opportunity to grow with that equipment that we're going to look at with them.
Always there to help out a customer at any moment. I have phone calls late at night, getting a guy back up and running, or trying to troubleshoot an issue with him over the phone, hopping on a plane, being there just maybe a day's notice and get the customer back up and running. It's just a personal connection to every customer and machine out there that I feel if I can't get them running, I feel partially responsible for that. And if customers got an issue, I feel like I need to do as much as I can to keep them going.
That continued investment and interest in our customers' success rather than just our own, I think makes a big difference.
Customer service. That's number one for us, is just good quality customer service and helping everybody out as much as we can.